I had to record. I didn't like that recording. There was something I just didn't like about it. Nope. I tear these things up.
Girl, we just got back. I left my phone.
Oh yeah, let me show y'all a piece of it. I swear y'all gonna say, yeah, this piece right here is so delicious. See? Y'all see what it says? Y'all see? It says Papa. It says Papa John. That's some good shit. Sorry for my language. That's good stuff. Here, let me show you a piece. Y'all know how good it is. I tied it down already though. Next time I make one with the whole thing piece in there, all of it in there. But I tore it up already. I'm finna just get one more and I'll be done tearing it up. You know, teared it up. All right. Okay. All right. See this pizza? It's so good. So yeah. Papa John is one of my favorite pizzas. I like Papa John more than anything. Pepperoni and Domino's, they alright. I'm not trying to knock them off, and I'm not trying to knock Pizza Hut and Domino's down. So, some people didn't like pepperoni, and some people like Pizza Hut and Domino's. I ain't trying to hurt nobody's feelings. I ain't trying to knock y'all off with it. I know y'all like, some people out there like Domino's and pepperoni, you know, Domino's and Pizza Hut, but Papa John's are my favorite out of Pizza Hut and Domino's. And then I'm finna eat something else with it. So y'all, guess what? Wingstop. But that's gonna be on the other recording. I'm not gonna put it on this recording. This is halfway right now. I'm just showing a piece of recording. Next time I have the whole pizza. This time I had half of it, so I'll do it. It's gonna be on the other one. My wing video gonna be on the other one. I'm on the other one, man.
Man, they about to fight. Where they going? They all in the same car. The bright one. I told them bright girl they something else.
I'm telling you. I'm serious.
Ooh. We all at the same fucking damn time. Bitch back around and hit a bitch in the face. I'm like, look at her. And she
I'm recording, so all that's on my thing.
Is it?
Yes, I'm not finna redo it either. Why? Because I don't feel like recording it. I already did it already. My baby's right here. She talking like it ain't nothing a while ago. Yeah. He looking for somebody. Who he looking for?
Because they don't want them all in there like that.
For real. Well, yeah, that's one of my good ones right there. That's that Papa John piece. That's gonna always be something I love. Pizza Hut, Domino's, they alright, but I ain't trying to knock them down like that. But they alright. They alright.
And that's the number of them. Take a picture of that.
I gotta stop the recording.
Don't stop it. Don't stop it.
Yes, I do, because it's aim on me. I gotta put the camera back on there.
No, don't mess it out. I got it in my head.
Oh. Well,
Cause you just have to sell wings. I don't sell wings. I ain't gonna sell no. I just don't sell.
I don't know, real. If it was gonna be